how to get Doordash promo codes for free delivery. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can get Doordash promo codes for free delivery. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So the first offer is if you're the new user on Doordash, Doordash will give you a free delivery on your first order. You could also use the referral link from a friend where both you and your friend will get some discounts on the referral process. So you could also sign up using the referral from your friends to get the DoorDash offers. Also, you could head over to a DoorDash application or sign in via the web browser. After you open up the DoorDash, you could head over to Offers tab section where all the local restaurants will list free delivery deals. So you could also check from the Offers tab into the DoorDash and check if you could find the promo codes there. Once you have your promo codes, all you have to do is add your favorite items on your cart, and during the checkout process, you have to look for an option as add promo code, enter your code, and once you enter, you will see free delivery show up in your order summary. So that's also one of the way to get the promo codes for the free delivery in the DoorDash. If you want to search for online, if you could find, you could close the DoorDash, head over to a browser and search for DoorDash promo codes, and you will find multiple websites with the promo code. You could head over to the first one from the search results, and from here you could also scroll through it, and there are some promo codes that you can use for, and it says 40% off, 25% off, 30% off. So scroll through it and select the one that you prefer, and on the next page you will have your code. All you have to do is copy the code, and or you could simply tap on redeem at DoorDash, and once you do that, you'll be taken into this page where you can install. If not, you could also use the promo codes after login via the web browser. So that's it. That's how you can get promo code in DoorDash, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.